Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.04. Now let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this timeframe. The ETF encountered a loss of -4.93%. This equates to an average loss of -2.46% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken the falling short-term trend downward. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated, but false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nonetheless, a further drop is realistic, and any reactions back to the breaking point of $539.72 are considered a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $509.51 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend. But it is far too early to say this with certainty. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 7.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 7.7% and 1.87%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 15.94%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 15.94% to 34.67% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $622.26 and $722.77. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF downgraded from sell candidate to strong sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The SPY ETF price fell by 4.93% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, from $564.52 to $536.70. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.14%. with a day low at $536.70 and a day high of $548.20. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 5.09% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 68 million shares, although this was accompanied by falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 125 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $67 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price was $493.86. Currently, the price is 12.48%, or $76.53, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Today, the S&P 500 is facing significant pressure following President Trump's announcement of broad reciprocal tariffs on various trading partners. This has triggered a sharp sell-off across major U.S. equities, with the index plunging over 4%, marking its worst performance since September 2022, and pushing it back into correction territory. Analysts anticipate that this news will lead to lowered earnings estimates and a contraction in margins, which are critical indicators for many investors. In the short term, the increased tariffs raise fears of a potential global trade war, leading to heightened volatility in the markets as investors react to the economic implications. There is potential for inflation to rise since tariffs might increase consumer prices, which could subsequently dampen consumer spending and lower gross domestic product growth. the broader market outlook suggests a testing of crucial support levels, with forecasts pointing to a target range of 5,200 to 5,400 for the S&P 500. Longer term, if these tariffs persist and contribute to a sustained economic slowdown, we could witness a more profound impact on corporate profitability. As margins tighten, many companies may need to revise their growth strategies, potentially leading to a prolonged bearish sentiment in the market. Overall, the situation remains fluid, with investors closely monitoring how these developments will influence the S&P 500 and broader market dynamics. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The SPY ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, a general sell signal is indicated by the relationship between the two signals, wherein the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During any upward corrections, resistance is expected from the lines at $558.99 and $576.81. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and so far it has declined by 6.72%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger has presented a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 27 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 19 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for the SPY ETF. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this ETF may experience significant declines in the coming days. Generally, the ETF exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $11.50 between its highest and lowest prices, which is a change of 2.14%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility for this ETF has been 2.01%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $555.92. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the ETF could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the SPY exchange-traded fund a good investment? The SPY ETF currently shows several negative indicators and is in a downward trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a sell recommendation to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of April, we anticipate that SPY will open higher by approximately $3.83 and begin trading at $540.53. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.